Welcome. In this present lecture, we are going to see the function minimization using K-map. K-map are also known as the Karnaugh map, and these are more organized way of minimization as compared to the normal Boolean variable substitution techniques. So first we have to look at the rules. So the rules simply says that first try to group the ones in this particular order. So from starting from 2 raised to the power n to 2 raised to the power 1. That means if you have a 4 variable k map, then try to group 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16, then 8, then 4, then 2, in this order only, because if you miss a particular maximum group, your result will be wrong. So let's see how this particular thing is done. Suppose this is your k map. So I am not plotting other things, I am just showing you the example of grouping. Like suppose if you have this particular example 1 1 1 1, and there is one over there, one over there, and one over there, and there is one more. So how do we group? First find if there is any possibility of 16 ones. No, there is no possibility. Then you go for if there is a possibility of 8 ones. No, if there was a 1, then it can be a possibility, even not that. So what you have to do now, you have to pick about the quads. Quads means group of 4. So let's see how many group of 4s we can make. This is one group of 4s, this is one group of 4s, this is one group of 4, and this is one group of 4. So what I have done, I have just tried to make all the possible groupings with maximum possibility. Like in this particular example, you have left with 1. So you have one option, like you can go for this pair also, but instead of the pair, what I will do, I will make a group of 1, group of 4 ones, that is a quad. Fine. So this is how you do the grouping in the K-map. First make group of 16, then 8, then 4, then 2. Now while grouping, this is second thing, while grouping, assume the top row is adjacent to the bottom. Similarly, the right column is adjacent to the left. This is known as the map rolling. So if I draw the K-map like this, then let's see how map rolling works. So in this particular example, I will pick only where there is a map rolling possible. Okay. So now let's try to group with the maximum. Is there any possibility of 16? No. Is there any possibility of 8? No. Now let's search for the quads. So you can simply see that this is a quad, no, this is a quad, no, this is a quad, no, this is a quad. But as per the rule, it is saying that while grouping, assume the top row is adjacent to the bottom. Similarly, right column is adjacent to the left. That means this is adjacent to this, this is adjacent to this. Adjacent means we can group them if possibility, like take the map, wrap over the globe, then it will become a map rolling. So like if you put a map, then you can see Japan and USA are separate corners, but when you put it over the globe, they will be neighbors only. So something like this. Now let's see how this map rolling work. So what it is saying, this particular row is adjacent to this. So can we group this? So this will make a quad. This particular two ones and this particular two ones make a quad. Now let's see other example. Right column is adjacent to this, so this will make a quad. Okay. One more thing. This corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner will also make a quad. One can be reused if it helps in reducing the function. That means we can use a 1 with a unpaired 1. So let's see this, how this is possible. So this is your K map, and I am taking a 3 variable K map now. So suppose this 1, 1, 1, 1 is there and there is one more 1. So when you have grouped this particular 1 with a quad, okay, and this one is left, so this one can be grouped using this one. Why? Because x plus x is x only, so that is why we can use this particular minterm again. So that is why we can use the 1 for grouping, or you can say 1 can be reused for grouping. Then you have next rule is about the don't care conditions. So don't care conditions we will see in detail. Now just I will provide you what are don't care conditions. Don't care conditions are represented as x or small t. So don't care conditions can be assumed as 1 or 0 as per the need, because you are having 1 or 0, don't care about that, because function will behave same even if you are having a 1 or 0. So function doesn't change its nature if you put a 1 or 0. So we can use this don't care conditions as per our need in the function minimization. So we will see this in the examples. Now let's see the function minimization using k-map. So this is one variable k-map. So in the one variable k-map only one possibility is there, that is a pair. So if there is a pair in this particular scenario, it will become function is equals to 1 only. So this is possible for every k-map, like if you have all ones the function will become 1 only, f is equals to 1 only. So in this particular example for this following k-map it will become 1. Now let's see this two variable k-map. So in the two variable k-map, suppose if this is your k-map, so in this particular k-map this 1 1 1 1 0. So there are two pairs possible, first pair and second pair. So let's write the expression corresponding to the first pair. So when you write the corresponding equation for this first pair, so you have to assume that what are the variable that is changing. So in this particular two ones, a is 0 only but b is changing, so the corresponding expression will become a complement. The variable which is changing should be removed. Now in this particular column a is changing but b is not changing, so plus b complement. This is how we write the corresponding expression to the group. So by the rule, if you can see how this reduction is done, so a group of 16 ones will reduce 4 variable, a group of 8 ones will reduce 3 variable, and so on. So while writing a term corresponding to a group, reduce all variables which are changing its value, or in other words keep the variable which is not changing. Like you can see that in this particular, if you pick the row, a is not changing, or you can say a complement is not changing, then a complement is the answer. In this particular column b is not changing, b complement is not changing, so b complement. So the answer will be a complement plus b complement. Now let's see a 3 variable example k-map. So in the 3 variable k-map example we have a possible grouping of 8 and 4. So there is in this particular example there is no 8 combination is present, so we will go for the quads and pairs. So you can see that this particular consecutive ones is forming a quad and this consecutive ones is forming a pair. So let's write the corresponding expression for that. So this is the corresponding expression for this. So you can see that in this particular quad a is changing its value, so a will be reduced. Now b is changing its value, so b will also be reduced. So the answer will become C plus. Now talking about this pair, so a is not changing, so a, and b is not changing because b is 1 and 1 over here, so it will become AB. So the answer for this particular minimization will become A plus AB plus C. So this is how we can minimize a 3 variable K. So in this 4 variable K map, we have the function f is provided as this. So what we can do, we simply map the function. So I have already done the mapping. This is a mapping for the corresponding function. Now we have to find out the groups. So if there any possibility of a group of 16? No. Then we search for the group of 8. So yes, we have one group of 8, and is there any possibility of more group of 8? No. Then we go for the group of 4. So there is one group of 4 present. Okay, so this covers these many ones and this covers all these many ones. Now we left with 1. So now this unpaired 1, try to first group it with a 16, no possibility, 8, no possibility, 4, no possibility. Then you go for a pair. So in the pairing we are reusing this particular 1. So this is 1. Now we have to write the corresponding expression for every grouping. So this is 1 oct. So you are aware that when you are making a group of 8, then we reduce 3 variables. 3 variables are reduced. So it will become what? D. And how this has become D? Let's see. So when you are having this particular column, so when there is all ones in a particular column, corresponding variable will be reduced, because 0 0 will change to 0 1, and this B is also changing from 0 to 1. So this particular AB will be directly reduced. Now in this particular two columns we can simply see that D is constant but C is changing. So the corresponding expression for this particular grouping will be D. Now take this group of 4. So you can see that in this particular rows B is changing. So A complement, and in this particular D is changing. So C complement, we pick the C complement. Similarly, now pick this particular pair. So pair will leave three what you guess, 3 variables term. So in this particular AB is constant, because this those one belong to this particular row, and the thing that is changing is D. So the answer will be A, B, C. So the corresponding minimized expression of this K-map will be D, A complement C complement plus A, B, C. So this is the mapping of the K-map corresponding to this particular function. Now let's see how the grouping can be done. So most of the groupings is in this particular example will be based on the map rolling. So first we can simply see that there is one quad present in this particular column, 0, 4, 12 and 8. So we simply group them as one quad. Okay, now we can see that there is no quad possible directly. So can we go for the map rolling? So yes, we can go for the map rolling. If you see that 0, 4, 2 and 6, so they can form a quad, because we are assuming that both are adjacent. Then I have already told you about this, that we can group all the 4 corners in the same quad. So this is one more grouping. Now we left with these 3 ones. They can be form a group only. So this can be one group and this can be other group. We can have other possibilities like group them like this, group them like this, group them like this. So this will be minimal, but yes, this will not provide the unique answer. Like we can group them also like this. So answers can vary in the case of K-map based on your grouping order. So let's write one by one. So first I will write corresponding expression for this particular grouping. So it will become what? This is 1. So the expression corresponding to 1 will be all the if you pick all the rows in a particular column, then this will reduce. So simply the answer will be C complement D complement plus, because these are not changing. AB will be changing in this particular column. Now let's take this as 2. So the corresponding expression with 2 will be this. So you can see that thing in this, what is changing? 0 0 to 1 0, C is changing but D is not changing. So D complement will be there, and in this particular 2, B is changing but A is not changing. So A complement will be there. So the answer corresponding to this will be A complement D complement. Now next quad is all the 4 corners. So the corresponding expressions for all the 4 corners will be, log, take this. So in this, what is changing? A is changing but B complement is not changing. So B complement. And in this particular corner, what is changing? C is changing but D complement is not changing. So B complement plus D complement. Now let's write the expression for these this may be assumed as 4 and this may be assumed as 4. So in this particular AB is constant, so AB, and what is changing? C is changing but D is constant, so ABD plus, in this particular, B is constant, A is changing, so B will be there and CD will be there. So this is the corresponding expression for this K map, and we have utilized all the map rolling in this particular